In this video, I will show you how to play Crystal of Atlan on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Crystal of Atlan is an action game developed by Skystone Games Pte Limited. You can actually play this on your PC or Mac by using something called the BlueStacks app player. Now BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that means, it allows you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. And to get started, what you're going to want to do is click onto the link in the video description. So if you come down below this video and you're going to see a link in the video description, click on that link and that's going to take you across to a website like this. Now on this website, you're going to see a button which says play Crystal of Atlan on PC. Go ahead and give that a click, and that's going to go ahead and download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. And once that's finished downloading, go ahead and give it a click. And what you need to do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Once that's done, you're going to get a window like this with a blue launch button. So what you want to do is click the launch button, and that's going to go ahead and launch BlueStacks on your PC. Now, as long as you click the link in the video description down below, what it's going to do is directly take you to the install page for Crystal of Atlan. At this point, all you would do is click the install from Google Play button, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, on this page, you can see the blue install button. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to start downloading and installing Crystal of Atlan on your PC, so you'll be able to go ahead and play that on your PC using BlueStacks. So just while that's downloading and installing, I just want to run through some of the features of using BlueStacks and why I personally use BlueStacks to play Android games on my PC. On the official website, you can see there's actually a ton of features. There's a good number of benefits of using BlueStacks to play Android games. So I'm just going to run through some of the ones that I personally like about BlueStacks, and the first one I'm going to start with is the game controls. Now, personally, I don't get on with touchscreens. I prefer to use like a keyboard and mouse, or sometimes even a gamepad. With BlueStacks, you do have the option to do this, so you can actually use a keyboard and mouse, or even a gamepad for gamepad supported Android games, which, if like myself you don't get on with touchscreens, is a great reason to use BlueStacks. Now there is a really cool multi-instance feature which allows you to play multiple games simultaneously. So BlueStacks does have a multi-instance manager built in, which allows you to play multiple games all at once. There is also a really cool macro feature, so what this does, it enables you to record and replay actions with a single key press, as well as a eco mode which basically optimizes your PC usage when you're running multiple instances, ensuring you get the best performance from your PC. One thing that I like that is really cool is the real-time translation feature. So what it does, it enables you to play any Android game in your local language. So if this game that's been released in other countries but you can't play due to language barrier reasons, then of course with the real-time translation feature on BlueStacks, you've now got access to play those games in your local language, which is really cool. Now in addition to this, of course, playing on a PC, we're going to get a much higher FPS, so higher frame rates equals a much smoother and just an overall better gameplay experience. And of course, playing on PC is going to give you Android games in full HD. So that's just a few of the reasons that I really like about BlueStacks, but as you can see, there's a number of features and benefits of using BlueStacks to play games on your PC. So here we are, as you can see, back on BlueStacks. Now, as you can see, Crystal of Atlan has finished downloading and installing. So at this point, you would just click the blue play button, and that's going to go ahead and launch Crystal of Atlan on your PC. What I'm going to do is just jump into the game now and just show you basically how this plays on BlueStacks. Now, when you initially do this, the first time you load up Crystal of Atlan, there's going to be some resources to download, so you just want to give it a couple of minutes to run through and download, and then you'll be good to go. Now, once everything is good to go and all the resources have finished downloading, what you can do is log in with either your Google or Facebook account. Also, be sure to come down and tick the box to say that you've agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. And then what we can do is I'm going to log in with my Google account, just like so. And here we are on the intro movie. So as you can see straight off the bat, the animations are very smooth, especially on PC. You can see there's no lag at all, actually. It's really good. Now, of course, at the time of recording, I'm currently recording this on the 27th of May, so it's not yet available. This is on a pre-download, but the servers officially open on May the 28th, which is tomorrow at the time of recording this video. So you can pre-download this ready if you just go ahead and click the link in the video description down below, and then of course when these servers open on the 28th, you'll be able to go ahead and play Crystal of Atlan on your PC. So that is how to play Crystal of Atlan on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.